There are three different ways you guys can actually express or write out or represent algorithms. The first way we could look at is structured English. Let's imagine that we're playing a game, a zombie game, or we're making a zombie game, shall I say, where when you shoot a zombie, that's a bullet. You kill the zombie. However, if the zombie bites you, I have no idea what I'm drawing here. If a zombie bites you, the bit rate goes up by 1. It means that you've been bitten once. If you've been bitten 3 times, you die because you've got 3 lives. So I'm going to say this again. We're playing a game. Where's my zombie? You've got 3 lives. If a zombie bites you, it will know that it's bitten you. If you've been bitten 3 times, you die. Let's write that code out as structured English. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our lives at the start of the game to be 3. 2, 3. So our lives is going to be at 3. So what we've done is we've assigned this value number 3 a name, and it's called lives. So whenever you hear lives, you know it's 3. So we've given this value, we've assigned a name to this value. And that's important you understand that. Keynote. Now let's imagine we're playing a game and we've been bitten. Increment bitten. That means we want to add 1 to the amount of times we've been bitten. So far, we've assigned a value and we've done a sequence. This is a sequence. Something's just happened in our game, which is a number of steps, as you know, performed one after each other to perform a task. In this case, there's only 1 step. Be bitten. Now, if our lives are greater than being bitten, so bitten, then what do we want to do? Play on. Play the game. Carry on. Carry on. Otherwise, what we want to happen is, let's say, display game over. Okay, so let's go through our game so far. We've assigned a value, the number 3, to the name called lives. We then incremented bitten by 1. We've just been bitten. This code will say we've just been bitten. It's a sequence. We then said if our lives, which is 3 in this case, is more than bitten, which is once, then we're going to play on. But if we've been bitten 3 times, it's going to say game over. Now think back to your previous lesson on algorithms. What is this called, this bit of code? A condition. If you can't remember that, go back to that. Remember with the London Underground? If, then, else. Now another name for a condition is a selection. So if you ever hear the word selection, you know it means condition, if, then, else. So under certain conditions, some steps are performed, otherwise no steps are performed. So that's our game so far, and this is structured English. We're writing out the game, the code for it, like we're writing a story, so to speak. And we've looked at assign, sequence, and selection. Now I'm going to give you a challenge which you need to show your teacher.